Good evening from Brain Spine and Joint Clinic, Greater Mohali, Punjab. So this is Dr. Paneet, and I'll be sharing few tips for your headache relief. Uh, Two tips and tricks which you can do at your place, and what you can avoid is a big thing. You can avoid taking pill for your headache. You can avoid a visit for to get your headache relieved. So it is something which is based on the neurological information, the sensory system input which we give for the relief for headache. So headaches के लिए ये एक वीडियो है, हेडेक रिलीफ करने के लिए एक वीडियो है, 2 सिंपल ट्रिक्स बताने वाली हूँ जिससे हम अपना हेडेक घर पे बैठे बैठे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. Reason why I making this video is because the frequency and the patients cropping up and the queries for headache have increased because of long term sitting on computers, long duration of sitting at one place, less of movement, and of course other issues too. For headache relief, you have to go for 2 things. You have to work on the socket of your eye, that is around your eye. You have to work over this area and you have to work over this area. So 2 simple things: make sure your hands are clean, thoroughly washed before you do this. I'm not recommending use of sanitizer and then using those sanitized hands over your face. I'm saying washing with soap and water, drying your hands, and then doing it. The first thing you have to do is you have to work on this area, which is the socket of the eye. Be careful that you should not be poking your eyes. So for both the sides, one by one, either use the pad of the thumb or the pad of your first finger, and I'm using my thumb here, and gently press over this point. If there is inflammation, if you are a chronic stress patient, if you are having chronic pain, and if you are having headaches, so in all these 4 scenarios, this thing will be hurting the most. So you have to be like very vigilant about it. So ये hurt कब कर सकता है? जब आप स्ट्रेस, डिप्रेशन, एंजाइटी के फेसेस से निकल रहे हैं, आपको इमोशनल ट्रॉमा है, आप हेडेक के पेशेंट हैं, आपको हेडेक हो रहा है अभी, एंड you have been in chronic pain because of some other pain site, और वो लंबे टाइम से पेन आपकी बॉडी में है, और एल्स यू हैव क्रॉनिक फटीग सिंड्रोम वेयर इन बॉडी पूरी आपकी inflamed होती है, and you are all your muscles are under great tension and you have pain all across here there in your body. तब हम ये स्टेप फॉलो कर सकते हैं अपने रिलीफ के लिए, सेल्फ हेल्प के लिए, रेमेडी के लिए, इन दी होम प्रोग्राम अदर देन दी प्रोग्राम और द ट्रीटमेंट यू आर अंडरगोइंग विद योर थेरेपिस्ट. तो जो आप चीज़ घर पे कर सकते हो, अपने लिए कर सकते हो, बार बार कर सकते हो, और जो आपके लिए सेफ है, ये वो 2 चीज़ें हैं. First thing, using the pad of the thumb or the pad of the index finger, and then gently pressing over this area which is towards the nose. Press it over here, keep it there for 3 to 4 seconds, then move ahead 3 to 4 seconds, move ahead without relieving the pressure, lifting off the finger pad, and this is to be continued towards the outer portion of the eye. Similarly, you have to do this on the lower margin of the socket, gentle pressures and moving out. The first area of contact, hold it there. You can do it for both sides together. Hold it there and then gently, without taking off the contact, without losing the contact, pressure to be maintained and moving outside towards the corners of the socket, and similarly from the lower margin towards the corners of the socket. The second thing, or the second muscle you have to work on, is this muscle. For this, of course, you have to keep your hands clean. What you'll be doing is pulling this tissue and squeezing it gently, as if you are squeezing a fruit or tomato, and you want gentle juice to gently you'll be pressing it so that you are getting the contents out of it. So what you are doing, imagining the same thing, and pressing it here. Complete that circle for 4 to 5 times. Do it like this. This is like taking a soft, juicy, pulpy thing and squeezing it between your pads of the fingers and your thumb. So why this is gonna help? Because जब हम टेंशन में होते हैं तब हम इस चीज़ को नेचुरली, जो हमारे नर्वस सिस्टम है, इस चीज़ को, इस एरिया को टाइट कर देता है. एंड उस टाइट एरिया में एक ये मसल आता है और एक ये मसल आता है. वो क्लेंचिंग, वो टाइटनेस, वो जो टेंशन बिल्डअप होती है इन एरियाज में, उसके लिए, इसको रिलीव करने के लिए हम ये प्रोसीजर फॉलो करते हैं. दीज आर 2 थिंग्स विच कैन बी डन ऑन योर ओन एंड number of times as you want, and for each repetition the duration is 3 to 4 seconds for both